Welcome back to a new video. I'm glad that you tuned in. Today I'm going to show you a new tool that I've been using to make arbitrage trades. It's called Koinknight and I will give you my opinion on it, the risks, and if I will continue using it in the future. When I first started I thought there's little risk to it, but you would be surprised. So make sure to watch until the end of the video to avoid the mistakes I've made. There are really two things that you need if you want to start arbitrage trading. The first thing is you need many different trading accounts. For example, Binance, KuCoin, HitBTC, just to name a few. The second thing is you need capital. When you find a trade that gives you, let's say, around 5 to 10%, the more capital you have, the more profit you make. For me, 5 to 10k sounds reasonable, but of course you can start with less or more. Let's have a look at the software. On the top left you will find the different arbitrage trades you can do. Direct is the easiest one, but let's have a quick look at triangular. It's a little more complex because you have 3 steps involved. Unfortunately, I couldn't use this type of trade because I don't have access to all these exchanges. That's why I focus more on the direct trades with the exchanges I already signed up to. Let's try to make a trade. You can see that we have to buy PPT on HitBTC and sell it on KuCoin. That would give us 16% in profit. If we click on HitBTC, Koinknight will lead us to the page. Let me check KuCoin first and I can confirm that the buy order is there at 966 Satoshis, as it says on Koinknight. At HitBTC the sell order is there too, but here comes the big but, the volume is very low. I mean, you can still make a profit, but I was hoping to open a bigger position than $100. And this is really the biggest problem I have found using Koinknight. You have the option to filter trades with high volume, but if you do this, then no trades show up. That's why I went from super excited to being a little disappointed. When it comes to strategies, I only see 2. You can hold and trade, but that means that you're mostly holding shitcoins, and I'm not a big fan of this strategy. Or you can jump in and out, but there's also risk involved. Let me show you the 4 biggest risks I've found. The first point is that there's not enough liquidity. I was about to buy a large amount only to find out that I cannot sell all of it on the other exchange. So double check if there's enough liquidity. The next thing you have to keep in mind is that the price might change quickly. When you buy it on one exchange and send it over to another, during this time the price can change. As well as the price, the order book can change too. I had it once where the buy order just disappeared and I couldn't sell anymore. The last point is what network you're using. For example, if it's Ethereum, the fees are very high. So you will have less profit and it takes longer to send than on other networks. I recommend checking what blockchain the token is on and trying to avoid the Ethereum network. So will I continue to use Koinknight? The answer is no, simply for the reason that I couldn't find enough trades with high volume. But that doesn't mean that you can't make money with it. Maybe I haven't found the right way to use it yet. Let me know in the comments about your experience with arbitrage trading. Maybe you know another tool that is better, just comment down below. And as always, please hit the like button and turn on the notification bell. This way you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.